Hello everyone. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to set up NordVPN on your LG Smart TV. Before we begin, check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. It's one of the fastest and most reliable VPNs for smart TVs, offering smooth streaming, better privacy, and access to more content. A VPN on your LG TV lets you watch apps and shows that may be blocked in your country while keeping your activity private and preventing internet provider throttling. It's also a great way to stay safe when using public or shared Wi-Fi networks. If your LG Smart TV supports VPN apps, setup is easy. Open the TV's App Store, search for NordVPN and install it. Once it's downloaded, open the app, log in with your account, pick your preferred server location, and connect. You'll now be streaming through the VPN with your data fully encrypted. If your TV doesn't support VPN apps, you can still use NordVPN by setting it up on your Wi-Fi router. This will protect all devices on your network, including your TV. Log into your router's settings, enter your NordVPN account details from the manual setup section and choose your server. Another option is to share your computer's VPN connection with your TV by creating a Wi-Fi hotspot. Connect NordVPN on your computer, enable the hotspot, and then connect your TV to it for full VPN protection. NordVPN also includes Smart DNS to help unblock streaming services on devices that don't support VPN apps. With thousands of servers worldwide, it offers great speed, reliability, and choice. Whether you're streaming movies, sports, or live events, you'll enjoy a smoother experience without buffering or geo-blocks. You can also switch servers anytime to find the fastest connection available. Plus, NordVPN works on multiple devices at once, so you can protect your whole household under one account. It also comes with advanced security features like threat protection to block malware and ads while you browse. And with its strict no-logs policy, your online activity remains completely private. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy fast, secure, and unrestricted streaming on your LG Smart TV.